Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to Power Automate Desktop Training Tutorial. My name is Vishal Ramlan, and in our session today, we will learn about the compression actions provided by Power Automate Desktop. Compression actions that will be covered in our session today are first is zip files and second, unzip files. Let's start with our first action, which is zip file. So basically, it helps us to compress one or more files or folders into a zip archive. It has multiple properties like archive path, files to zip, compression level, password, and archive command. I've mentioned the individual descriptions for you all to refer. Let's see how we can make use of this section in Power Automate Desktop. Under Actions pane, search for zip files, drag and drop this section. The first parameter is archive path. Here you have to select the full path of the zip file you want to create. Let's select it. Under this folder, let's give it a name, report.zip. So this is the folder where all the files will be archived. Second parameter is files to zip. Here we can either choose file or a folder to zip. So let's select the folder here. Then third parameter is compression level. It gives us four options. First is none. Second, best speed. Third, best balance of speed and compression. And fourth, best compression. So if we go with none, it will not affect the way this compression happens. If we go with second, which is best speed, it will ensure that this compression is quick enough. If we go with the last option, which is best compression, it will ensure that the file is reduced to its maximum capacity. Whereas if we go with best balance of speed and compression, it will take account of both speed and compression. So by default, this third option is selected. Then fourth property is password. So this basically adds a layer of security to this compression. We can either leave it blank or we can supply a password here. And finally, the last property, which is archive comment. So if we want to include a comment here, we can do so. Finally, the variable produced by this section is zip file. Let's save this and run the flow. So the flow execution is complete. Let's check our folder. As you can see, a zip folder has been created in the name of report. If I open this, we have the Excel new folder, which we archive. Now let's see how we can unzip this archive folder. We can do so by using unzip file section. So it helps us to uncompress one or more files or folders contained in a zip archive. It has multiple properties like archive path, destination folder, password, include mask, and exclude mask. Let's see. I've mentioned the individual description for you all to refer. Let's see how we can make use of this action in Power Automate Desktop. Under Actions pane, search for unzip files, drag and drop this action. The first property is archive path. So here we have to select the zip file we want to extract. Let's select it. Then second parameter is destination folder. This is where we want these files to get extracted. And third parameter is password. So if we need to use the password to unzip the archive folder, we can enter it here. And if not, we can leave this blank as well. Then fourth properties include mask. So this means if we want to apply a filter wherein we have to allow only specific files like text files or document files to get extracted, we can put a filter here like star.txt for the text files. You can give it accordingly. Whereas last property is exclude mask. So here we have to specify the filter. We want to limit to the extracted files. So if we want some specific files like text files or document files, Excel files to not get extracted, we can put down a filter here. For example, if you do not want text files to get extracted, we can put down this filter here like star.txt. So let's remove it for now and save. Let's run this action. Sorry, run this flow. The flow execution is complete. As you can see, the Excel new folder has been unzipped. So this marks the end of our module. Thank you so much for watching this video. I would request you all to subscribe my channel for more videos. Also, I have listed down some suggested videos as well as the ones next in line for your ease. Cheers.